about the topic, make some of the question and their answer as well. What the other
Yeah.
people can ask you about that topic. So it would be very easy for you to, express your thoughts on. Good morning.
How about you?
Yes, feeling a little bit cold and fever. And what
Yeah,
about you?
I am also fine. Good. So
Okay.
we
So can
met.
you introduce us?
Yeah, we're meeting first time. So could you introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my qualification, so I have done engineering from computer science and currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And yes, I'm running my YouTube channel as well. That's all about me.
Okay, it's my turn.
Yes,
My name is
yeah.
Labchand Mishra. Yeah, so my name is Labchand Mishra. I am from Bihar, Darbhanga district. And if I talk about my qualification background, I did my graduation 2019 in LNMU University, Darbhanga. If I talk about my hobbies are playing cricket, listening music, meet to new person, traveling. That's all about me.
Okay, so currently you are working or?
Yeah, currently I'm nowadays I am living in South Delhi, and
Mhm.
I work in a BPO company as a customer support. Yeah,
Okay.
and I learn and nowadays I learning this language for 2 months.
Oh, that's nice. So are you talking in English with your customer?
No, actually, it's not need to English. It's Hindi call center. Actually, ma'am,
Mhm.
I want to job in airlines industry. So that's why
Mhm.
I learn this language. And I belong from a middle class family, and nowadays I am in Delhi, so that's why I joined BPO company with my, and it's a help to my communication skills. That's
Mhm.
why I joined, and actually main purpose is I want to join in airlines company. Without English, I can't join any airlines industry. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely right. So now, if you know English language, so you can go in any side. Like more in most of the company, English is necessary. In my
Correct.
company also, I have to talk in English only. So that's why I'm learning this language and trying to improve.
Actually, ma'am, I saw your lot of video on YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah. And if I talk about ma'am, airport, so before 4 months ago, I went to airport and for interview purpose. But that
Mhm.
time I was rejected. That time I was rejected because my English was not good that time. So that time I realized without English I can't join any industry, airport industry. So I thought first of all I learn English, then I applied any airport job. Yeah.
Yes, you are right. Even I have faced same difficulties when I was sitting for the interviews. So I got rejected in many interviews because of English only. And yes, if you have to work in good company and especially in multinational company, so you have to learn this language.
Yeah, MNC company, and there are lot of company is necessary to English language. Without English, I can't join. We can't join any uh, corporate company, MNC
Mhm.
company. Like, yeah,
Okay. So are you liking Delhi?
yeah.
Yes.
Actually, I'm living I am living there for 2 years, and when I went to Delhi at that time, I didn't idea how can I join any airport industry, how can I
Mhm.
crack interview. When I was rejected, that time I realized how can I join.
Yes, even I have stayed in Delhi for 4 to 5 months when I joined my organization. Uh, I can say before 4 years. And yes, it was my first experience that I went outside and I was working in different city. But now I'm working from home, so I don't need to go anywhere. I'm in my hometown.
Actually, I forgot where are you from? UP.
Basically, I'm also from Bihar, but my birthplace is in Bhopal only. So I'm living here since my childhood.
Or which city? Bihar.
It's Bhagalpur.
Uh, it's nearby.
Himachal. Yeah.
So, what is your native language?
Uh, Actually, here in city Bhopal, we are just speaking Hindi language. But whenever we go our hometown, like Bihar, so we generally speak. I don't know the language name, but Bihari language.
Math- Mathili,
And
Mathili
I
or
really
Bhojpuri?
don't know the. No, it's not Bhojpuri. I
Math-
really don't know the name.
I
I
know.
can understand, but I don't speak. But my parents usually speak in that language.
Actually, Darbhanga, Bhagalpur, Madhubani, Samastipur. So, its district native language is Mathili.
Okay, so you, yeah, it may be this language. I don't know the name.
I completed my graduation in our district, Darbhanga. That's why I know and I speak. So you are in Bhopal with your family or alone?
Yeah, with my family.
So how long time, ma'am, you have been learning this language?
I'm learning this language for last 1 year. But yes, in my workplace, I'm speaking little bit last 4 years, I can say.
Sorry.
Yes.
So what is
So
important English in our life, ma'am? What is your opinion?
yes, so I can totally understand that this language is very much important, especially if you are working in a corporate company. So, I have faced a lot of difficulties in my 4 years of career. I have faced a lot of difficulties because I have to talk in English only with my customer and colleagues. And most of my colleagues are from different countries and different city as well. So if I have to interact with them, so I have to speak in English only because they don't understand my language. So yes, it is very important for me. And because of this language, I was not getting confidence also. Like if I have to put my views on a particular topic or any of the work, so I was not getting the confidence that yes, I can speak and I can give, I can put my views in a confident manner. Then I realized no, I should work on my communication. If I will learn this language, then I can easily put my views and I will not feel any kind of hesitation and nervousness. And in the initial days I was feeling very nervous and underconfidence also. But because when I improved this language, so I'm little bit comfortable now that I can speak with anyone. And
Yeah,
I think it's a good platform, or I can say good thing, that we are practicing with different person like this. So it is very important that you can improve like this.
actually. Yeah, actually, I am also facing this kind of difficulty when I start to speak any topic. So that time I confused how can I speak and how can I express myself. And if I talk about general topic, I can speak easily. But when I start to any particular topic, that time I very confused how to speak. And this is my ma'am 15th conversation video.
Okay. So
Yeah.
are you also a YouTuber?
No, ma'am. I think first of all we learn English, speak very well. Then in future I created an YouTube channel, but not yet because
Okay.
my main purpose is I want to join in airlines company, and after that after that think I think about this in future, but not yet. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, yes. Even I didn't think like that I will start my journey like this. I had started with mathematics on my YouTube channel, and suddenly I shifted to English because my main motto was like I had to improve my confidence. So that time I started my channel. If I'll shoot my videos and if I'll be in front of camera, so I can build up my confidence. So
Yeah.
because of this thinking, I had started my channel, and suddenly I shifted to English. And when I got this opportunity, like I can talk with different people, then I thought I can improve my confidence level if I'll talk with different people. So yes, I am doing it consistently. So yes, I have improved a lot, I can say.
Yeah. So how can I improve in our speaking part? How can I express myself any particular topic? Please share your experience. Ma'am.
Okay, why we face these difficulties. First thing is if you don't know about the topic, like what you have to say, so
Yeah,
you will definitely face these difficulties. Now, if you will ask me my hobbies, so I already know that what I have to say. But if you will talk any topic, if I don't know any content regarding this topic, so I can't speak. So first thing, for example, you should be aware about everything, whatever things are happening around us, so it would be very easy for you that you can make the content. And if you have time and if you have already decided the topic before this kind of conversation, so first like you have to google it about the topic, what it is and how you can start. Firstly, what is the topic about it, and what are the contents you can speak. So I generally take some of the sentences like this. Yes, I can speak on this topic, and about the topic make some of the question and their answer as well. What the other
yeah.
people can ask you about that topic. So it would be very easy for you to express your thoughts on that topic. So I'm generally doing it. And yes, if it is a random topic, then it may be that you will confuse little bit because you haven't practiced about that. So yes, you should be aware about everything.
Actually, interview round. First interview round is the GD round. So that time he can give any topic. So I think how can I speak any particular topic when I prepare any topic. So that time I easily express myself. I can easily speak. But when he give any other topic, particular topic, I don't know how can I speak any topic. So that time how can I speak?
Yes, yes, it happens. When I was having this kind of GD round, so when I was in my college time, you won't believe in some of my GD round, I haven't speak any single word because of nervousness and underconfidence. And and in some of the GD round, I also not aware about the topic as well. I still remember one story that I got the topic Tinder. So that time I was not idea about what it is.
Yeah,
So I haven't started, like I haven't initiated first because I was not really aware about the topic. Then I listened some of the other candidates, like what it is and how they are saying. Then I prepared something related to this, like what are the things I can express. So
yeah,
because of that, I have tried to speak. So we
yeah,
can do these things if you are really not aware about the topic. So just try to listen others
yeah.
carefully. Then you can make your content as well.
And we should practice more than more. If we can choose one topic and speak more than more one particular topic every day. Yeah,
Yes. And now also
actually,
you can do these things. Like if you are speaking with different people, then firstly decide the topic as well. And then you can do the
yeah.
conversation.
Actually, ma'am, GD in airline job, GD round is very important because without GD round, clear, I can't join an other round. Yeah, like for second round. So GD round is very important, and communication skills is very important. That's why I want to work with this uh, topic.
Yes, yes, I can understand. Yes, GD round is very important because sometimes it's easy to, convey a thought individual. Like if I'm talking with you, so I can speak on a topic as well. But if you are sitting with like a lot of people, then it would be very
Yeah,
difficult for you to express your thoughts and what are the things they are saying, what you have to say. So it's a very important skills. And
yeah,
if you will get a chance to join any kind of GD, like some people are doing this kind of activities as well, like
yeah.
they are talking in a group, so you can join that as well.
Yeah, yeah, it's very helpful. Yeah, it's very helpful, and our confidence is also build up like this kind of thing. Yeah,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much and have a nice day.
Okay, ma'am. And one more thing. I saw your video, but after conversation, you share me your you send me your YouTube YouTube account link. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Bye bye.